Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make lentil soup in a soup maker. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of red lentils, thoroughly rinsed, along with 1 large carrot, 1 celery stalk, and 1 onion, all diced. Don't forget 4 cups of vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and your favorite seasonings like cumin and turmeric. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious, hearty soup. Now, let's get everything ready for the soup maker. It's important to rinse your red lentils thoroughly to remove any debris. Next, dice your carrot, celery, and onion into small, consistent pieces. This uniform size helps them cook evenly and blend smoothly. Finally, accurately measure out your 4 cups of vegetable broth and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Proper preparation makes the cooking process effortless. With your ingredients prepped, it's time for the soup maker to do its magic. Carefully add all the diced vegetables, rinsed lentils, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil into the soup maker jug. Secure the lid, then select the smooth soup setting. The appliance will blend and cook everything to perfection in approximately 20 to 25 minutes, creating a wonderfully creamy texture. Your delicious lentil soup is now ready. Once the soup maker signals completion, carefully open the lid, being mindful of the steam. Give the soup a gentle stir to ensure all the wonderful flavors are perfectly combined. Ladle the hot, creamy soup into bowls. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh herbs or a delicate swirl of extra virgin olive oil. Enjoy your homemade, nutritious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.